It's no secret that Instagram is a popular form of social media. There are over 2 billion active users today, with 6 out of 10 users logging in at least once per day. So, what does that mean for you as a business owner? The first thing that comes to mind is probably not its use in business, but its association with influencers. However, when you think of it, what are influencers but experts in the art of self-marketing? What this means is that Instagram could be the perfect platform for advertising your product or service. Today, we will be going over some of the benefits and features of Instagram for business. First and foremost, however, we would like to note that business and personal profiles on Instagram are two separate entities. By default, new accounts are set up as personal, but business accounts have access to extra capabilities that might help your business expand its Instagram presence. With an Instagram business account, you can expand your brand online and motivate others to take action. Make it simple for others to contact you directly by including your contact information.
Due to its massive user base, Instagram is a low-cost and highly successful way to promote brand exposure. In addition, the image-centric aspect of Instagram helps establish brand recognition and impressions in the minds of customers, clients, and prospects. You cannot overlook the fact that 90% of Instagram users follow at least one company, indicating that consumers are interested in the behind-the-scenes of their favorite companies and view Instagram as a wonderful location to shop. 80% of active Instagram users say that this medium aids in the decision-making process. Influencer marketing has contributed significantly to this, since nearly every user follows the suggestions of their favorite blogger. Instagram advertising is far less expensive per lead than traditional methods such as television, radio, and newspapers. In addition, social media networks have enabled firms to expand up with their low-cost leads, which has been a tremendous boon for small enterprises. Believe it or not, Instagram is a great way to boost SEO and drive traffic to your website. Instagram allows you to put a clickable link in your bio that links straight to your website. This means that whenever someone views your profile, the link will be visible and will bring them to your page. Moreover, several studies have discovered considerable relationships between social signals and search engine rankings. Top-ranked websites and SERPs have a disproportionately large number of social signals compared to all other pages, partly because branded websites perform well in social networks. Meaning strong Instagram content can help you move up in search engine ranking. Instagram allows you to engage with customers and influencers alike. Imagine leveraging influencers to share your brand with their followers. A trustworthy influencer may enhance your company's sales through a higher return on investment and access to populations you wouldn't typically target. If you employ a well-known influencer, they will be able to promote your business or product to millions of followers with only a few postings. Instagram also lets you actively engage with your customers. Reaching out to clients and getting to know them better is a crucial aspect of business promotion. Users are able to like, comment on, and share their favorite posts on Instagram. You may simply discover about audience preferences, majority language spoken, interests, gender, age, etc. by utilizing this information. It considerably aids your campaign and product offer design approach, resulting in a higher return on investment. We love data at 7 Social, and we often emphasize its importance when creating and analyzing the effectiveness of an advertising campaign. With that being said, let's get into one of the most helpful features Instagram has to offer: insights. Utilize your Instagram insights to discover more about the overall trends among your followers and the performance of your material with your audience. Additionally, you can check insights for individual posts, stories, videos, and reels you've published to see how each one fared and how people connected with them. Best of all, this feature is free. So what does your Insights overview page tell you? The number of users you've reached and who have interacted with your material in some way is referred to as accounts engaged. The engaged audience area displays the number of unique users who have interacted with your accounts. Follower status, demographics, and location will be used to segment your engaged audience. Content interactions displays the total number of times your content has been interacted with. It then splits down the total into individual post interactions. You'll also get a list of your most popular posts by category. The quantity of people who follow your Instagram account is referred to as total followers. The most active times area displays the hours and days when your followers are most likely to be on Instagram. Content you shared displays the total number of posts, stories, reels, videos, and promos that you have shared. Under Accounts Reached, you will find the number of unique users who have seen the content you have uploaded. Reached Audience displays the number of unique users who have seen your posts. Your audience will be segmented on their follower status, demographics, and locations. You may also monitor how many individuals you've reached through advertisements and promotions. The number of times all of your posts have been seen, including repeat viewings by the same individuals, is referred to as impressions. The actions visitors perform after seeing your profile are broken down by profile activity. In the Content Reach area, you can observe which types of postings have gotten the most attention. One of the best features of Instagram for business is the ability to create ads. Through Instagram advertisements, companies can pay to have their posts delivered to Instagram users. Instagram advertising appears in users' feeds, stories, Explore, and other areas of the app, similar to Facebook ads. They seem to be regular posts, but they always include the word sponsored to indicate that they are adverts. Links, call to action buttons, and product catalogs are usually included, as are more elements than a standard post. Ads can be used in a variety of ways on your Instagram account. With so many different ad types to select from, deciding which kind of ad to use for your campaign may be challenging. The good news is that Ads Manager is built for testing, so you can experiment with multiple formats to see which one works best for you before launching a full campaign. Users can swipe through a succession of images or videos in carousel ads. They can appear in both the Instagram feed and Instagram stories, complete with a call to action button or a swipe-up link that takes audiences to your webpage. Collection ads are a hybrid of carousel and shopping advertisements. Products from your product catalog are included in collection ads. E-commerce firms should employ collection advertising since they allow users to buy things immediately from the ad. When a person clicks on the ad, they're taken to the Instagram Instant Experience storefront, where they can learn more about a company's product and then purchase it. Image ads allow businesses to promote their brand, products, and services by using single images. Instagram Story ads are full-screen picture or video ads that show in between users' stories on Instagram. Instagram Stories are one of the most popular features of the platform, with more than 500 million people seeing them every day. Engagement is often higher because Stories adverts take up the entire mobile screen and feel significantly more immersive than in-feed ads. There are also Reel ads. Ads appear between Reels and can last up to 30 seconds, similar to Stories ads and full-screen vertical videos. To be harmoniously combined with organic Reels, they should contain sound or music. Then there are shopping ads. Users are directed to a product description page within the Instagram app when they click on an Instagram shopping ad. Users can then make a purchase on your mobile site. You must first create an Instagram shopping catalog in order to run shopping advertising. Video ads on Instagram are similar to picture ads in that they allow businesses to give customers a deeper insight into their brand, products, and services. Although in-feed video advertising can last up to 60 minutes, they are usually more effective when they are shorter.
Instagram for Business can help to increase brand recognition, increase sales, and build and track audience interactions. It's a great way to find clients where they already spend their time. It may provide useful audience insights for use in all of your marketing tactics. It can seem overwhelming at first, but our staff at 7 Social has directly managed more than $3 million in ad spend on platforms like Instagram, and we know how to help you get the results you seek.